eyes and breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now as you breathe in the white light. Imagine breathing in the white light. So we breathe in the white light. We breathe out the unwanted toxins from our body. Breathe in the white light. Breathe out the unwanted toxins from the body. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in the white light. As you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in the white light. As you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in the white light. As you breathe out, imagine you're breathing out all the unwanted toxins from your body. So when you breathe in, you're breathing in the white light. And when you breathe out, you're breathing out the toxins, the unwanted toxins from the body. Breathe in the white light. Breathe out the toxins from the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now as you're breathing in, focus on your crown chakra. Imagine the crown chakra is receiving the white light. The white light is entering from our crown chakra. So as you're breathing in, the energy is entering from the crown chakra. You keep breathing in and breathing out. The energy is entering from the crown chakra, going through your third eye, going to your throat, traveling down to your heart chakra, traveling further down to your solar plexus chakra, traveling further down to your sacral, and traveling further down to your root. Breathe in, breathe out. We breathe in the white light and we breathe out the toxins. The white light is entering from our crown to the third eye, to the throat, to the heart, to the solar plexus, to the sacral, to the root. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now focus on your third eye. Focus on your third eye and focus on the light in the third eye. You will see a lamp, you will see a light glowing in the third eye. From your third eye, you can visualize this light becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. It's becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and engulfing you. It's engulfing your whole aura. It's engulfing your whole body. You can see yourself sitting in the white light. This white light is so bright as the moon, as the bright moon of the full moon. The white light is engulfing your whole aura, making you feel the shine, making you feel bright. This white light is slowly, as it enters from your crown, it starts cleansing your third eye. It does a rotation in your third eye. It's cleansing away all the negative energies, all the unwanted energies, all the toxins from the third eye. It is going into an anti-clockwise direction. It is doing 3 spirals. And as it is doing spiral 1, it removes the negative energies and the unwanted toxins. In the spiral 2, it removes the negative energies and the unwanted toxins. At spiral 3, it removes the negative energies and the unwanted toxins. All the negativity is getting flowing down and down and down, and it is going to your throat chakra, and again from throat chakra the same 3 spirals are happening. It is removing, it is cleansing. So from the crown to the feet, the cleansing is happening right now. It's cleansing your throat. It's removing the negative toxins and the unwanted energies. It's cleansing your throat from any health issues that it is showing. This white light is just cleansing. It's cleansing the throat chakra completely. The throat chakra is cleansed. The throat chakra is feeling cleansed. The throat chakra is feeling good. It goes further down to the heart chakra. It's cleansing the heart chakra now. It's cleansing the heart chakra from the unwanted energies, from the toxins, from things that no longer belong to us, energies that no longer is needed. It's cleansing the heart and the lungs. It is clearing our lungs from any unwanted bacteria, infection, whatever we call it as in this pandemic. It's cleansing the lungs and the heart completely. The white light is spreading through the lungs and the heart, cleansing it completely. It's going further down to the solar plexus. The white light is cleansing the solar plexus. It's removing all the unwanted emotions, the traumas that the solar plexus is facing, the negative energies that the solar plexus is facing right now. It's cleansing the solar plexus out of all the emotional traumas. It's cleansing the solar plexus out of all the negativity. It's flushing out the unwanted energies. It's further going down to the sacral chakra. It's cleansing the sacral chakra. It's cleansing and removing the unwanted toxins, unwanted energies, energies that no longer serve our body. It's cleansing the sacral chakra. It's removing the unwanted energies, the toxins, the energies that no longer serve our body. It's cleansing your sacral chakra. It's going further down to your root chakra. It's cleansing your root chakra completely. The root chakra is getting cleansed. The root chakra is feeling good. The root chakra is sensing all the negative energies leaving the body and going. All the unwanted energies is leaving the body and going. The chakras are completely cleansed now. The root is cleansed. The root is cleansed. Now the whole body is completely cleansed. It is in bliss. Now the same white light is traveling to your feet. It's cleansing your feet. It's removing all the unwanted energies which has traveled from your crown to the root. Through your feet it is going to the Mother Earth. All the negative energies are flushing out. You are getting cleansed. You are in bliss. You feel energized. You feel as if anything that no longer belongs to your body is all flushed out. You feel the white light inside you. You feel good. You feel at bliss. Just feel this white light throughout, traveling from the crown to the root, and whatever is the negative energies which is no longer needed, flushing out and going out through your feet. Just be in that for 5 minutes, for 3 minutes at least. Just feel the bliss. And as you feel this bliss, tell Mother Earth, tell the moon to bless you with the white light. Tell Mother Earth to remove all the toxins from your feet and convert these energies into positive energies. Ask the moon goddess to bless you today in this blessed Chitra Paurnami, Chaitra Paurnima and the pink full moon. To bless you with the white light of the moon. To cleanse your whole body. All your chakras are cleansed. Your whole body is cleansed. You feel good. You feel as if your throat, your lungs, your solar plexus is all completely cleansed. The negativity is no longer there. The energy is in pure bliss. You feel light from inside. You feel at peace from inside. Just feel the bliss. Keep asking Mother Earth to bless you. Keep asking Goddess Moon to bless you. Just feel the bliss in it. Focus on your third eye now. Focus on your third eye now and call on whichever goddess or angel or god you love to call. Here I call on Shirdi Sai. You can call on whichever goddess or god, whomever, or the angel or the archangel, whomever you feel the connect with. Call on them. Ask them to bless you on this amazing, amazing pink moon. Ask them to bless you with good health, with happiness. Ask the moon goddess to bless you along with the god or the goddess you have called. As I have been calling on Shirdi Sai, I feel the blessings. I feel him around me. I feel him blessing me. I feel him keeping his hand on my shoulders and blessing me completely. The moon goddess is cleansing me and energizing me with white light, removing all the toxins from my body. And the gods are standing near me, blessing me. I can feel the presence of them in the form of a cold wave. They are blessing me. They are blessing us all. They are blessing us to have a beautiful, beautiful, healthy life. A life full of happiness, a life full of good health. Thank them for being a part today in blessing you. Thank them for taking the time out. Thank the Mother Earth for removing all your negative, unwanted energies and toxins. Thank the Moon Goddess for blessing you with the white light, cleansing your chakras, cleansing your body. Thank the gods and the goddesses who have taken out their time and come. Thank the angels. Thank the archangels. Slowly, slowly start focusing back on your third eye. And let the light become smaller and smaller and smaller. And just tell Mother Earth, thank you Mother Earth for removing all the toxins from my body. Thank you for always being there for me, grounding me when I need you. Followed by that, thank the Moon Goddess for blessing you today. Thank the gods, the goddesses, the angels and the archangels for being present today. And slowly, slowly, whatever is the excessive energies you feel are in your hands and legs, you can just wither it away. Just wither it. Once you feel better, you can slowly, slowly open your eyes. Those who feel heavy energies can have some water. Have some water, wither your hands and legs, have some water. Is basically our lungs part. This is the part, okay, from your thumb if you see, this is the part which is the lungs part. So if you keep this part, healed, then it works beautifully. Now those who have crystals can heal this part with their kyanite or clear quartz also. Or else online I will I will just see and I will post the link in the Facebook group also. Here down south we get these powders actually. You need to take out black jeera powder. Black jeera powder is easily available, okay. Black jeera is easily available, or you can pick up the black jeera and you can powder it. And the other powder is called as the kadkai powder. I will tell you the spelling. You can just write it and keep. If you Google it in Amazon, it is easily available. You just have to type KADUKAI. I will repeat. KADUKAI. Okay, so this is one powder. Black jeera powder is one powder. Haldi, our turmeric powder is one powder. And the fourth powder is called as the Chittarate powder. I will spell that out also. It is CHITHAI. I will repeat. CHITHAI. Chittarate powder. Okay. Now these powders you should take in equal quantities. Maan ke chalo, if you are taking a teaspoon, then take a teaspoon of each. Haldi 1 teaspoon, black jeera 1 teaspoon, the kadka powder and chittarate. Chittarate is nothing but our galangal. Chittarate alone I know it is our galangal root ka powder which we get easily. Okay, make a paste of it. Okay, you can do this even if you don't have your the corona. This is basically to cleanse our lungs, and in case we meet people, we go out and come, so to avoid that bacteria from harming us in anything. So we take equal proportion of all these 4 powders, we add a little bit of water and make a paste, and we apply it in this part, in our lungs part. You can apply it in the morning and in the afternoon also, and allow it to dry on its own. It will dry and it will fall off. What happens when you do this is simple. If a person has been affected by COVID, it will start cleansing the lungs. It will start removing the infection from the lungs. And if it is like, someone, like most of you all know, I have a big time fear for doctors. So I always try to keep myself fit and fine, and I cannot be without meeting people and all, because people keep coming, or I keep having meetings. So for people like us who cannot go to doctors, or who want to just keep ourselves cleansed, this is the best thing to keep your lungs cleansed. So what happens if I meet someone who is a carrier? Okay, it will not harm my lungs, because the first thing that this does is it harms your lungs, right? So it will not harm our lungs. It will keep our lungs cleansed and perfect. That is very much needed. One more thing what you can do is, in the mornings and nights, evenings you can apply. Night is the best time. Apply it off here fully. This whole part you can apply. Apply this whole part and leave it off. Okay. One more thing what you can do is you can apply red color here, giving heat to the lungs, so that if there is any phlegm or infection, it flushes out the congestion from the lungs. That also you can do. But this powder is very, very effective. You can even give it to your clients. You can give it to your family members also. Those who have not been affected also, as a safety precaution, they can do it every day. One more thing what you can do is, in the morning or in the evening, whenever you get the time or whenever you're free, all you have to do is just sit under the sunlight in the morning or in the afternoon. Imagine the sun's rays cleansing your lungs. It's a white, powerful light. Okay, so it is basically, you will intend that the sun's rays, because sun is quite far, so it will not have any sort of a direct harm. So what you will do is, you will imagine that the sun's rays are going through your lungs and cleansing it. It is removing whatever is an infection that is there. That can also be done. Okay, other than that, in YouTube I have already given one thing where I have given how you can keep yourselves clean, you can keep yourselves cleansed. The Linga Mudra, which I had said, you can do that Linga Mudra. Linga Mudra works beautifully. Every day morning, I see to it that I do the Linga Mudra. And that paste, now I have started using this paste regularly, because in case I tend to meet people, leave meeting people also. You have the maids coming in and going. In fact, I have told my maids also to apply, so that they go to 10 houses, they are not affected by it. They don't affect anyone else. You can make this and put for all the family members. Now there are certain family members who might not listen to you, who might, children might not listen to us. There are people who might say, no, we will not apply. In the night when they are sleeping, you can just apply off here, and it will automatically dry. We have some people just say, no, we will not do it. तो उनके लिए आप यहाँ पर रात को जब वो सोते हैं बच्चे, just apply there and leave it off. Okay, that will prevent the infection from harming the lungs, because, and basically this was actually suggested by me by one of my Reiki members. She had told me that I should give this tip to all of you when I do this online meditation part, because she has been giving this to a lot of people who have been admitted and have had breathing issues, and for them in just 2 days they have come out of all these issues. They have felt good. So that's the reason I'm also suggesting this to you all. Okay, so any doubts you all have, you all can ask me. If you all want to say something, you all can say. Vanna, I will not trouble you all more, and then we will sign off for today.
Ma'am, red color, what red color can...
Red color sketch pen kar lo, Janvi.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Sorry,
you.
I missed. I couldn't. I just saw the message. I hope I didn't miss much.
Just the meditation, the starting. We started with the meditation. कोई बात नहीं, next time आप join कर लेना. I'm anyways planning to keep bringing the meditation on and off.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
मैम वो रेड स्केच पेन से क्या लिखने का है आप बोले थे?
कुछ नहीं लिखना है, सिर्फ ड्रॉ करना है बेटा यहाँ पर.
क्या ड्रॉ करने का है?
Just some, एक अंडे की तरह ड्रॉ कर लो, या तो लंग्स का शेप ड्रॉ कर लो.
Okay, on the palm, basically.
Okay, who's talking first? पहले कौन बात कर रहा है? हाँ? मुनमुन शक्ल नहीं दिखाई दी तो फिर मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूंगी, जाओ। देखो लंग्स का शेप जैसे होता है ना, वैसे आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो।
ओके।
जैसे लंग्स का शेप होता है वैसे आप ड्रॉ कर लो। आई वाज जस्ट जोकिंग। चलो लेकिन अच्छा हो मुनमुन दिखी तो सही आज। मून के दिन मून का चेहरा देखना चाहिए। शिवांगी कैसी है? दैट इज तरुणिका, आई थिंक। तरुणिका, हाउ आर यू?
हेलो।
हाँ बोल बोल शिवांगी। हाँ शिवांगी पूछो, क्या डाउट है?
बस ठीक है आज।
Good.
ये जो पाउडर आपने
शिवांगी योर वॉइस
बताया ना चारों,
हाँ।
मतलब ये कहाँ अवेलेबल होंगे?
अमेज़न में मिल रहा है, अमेज़न में इजीली मिल रहा है। जस्ट टाइप द वे आई हैव सेड, टाइप इट, दे आर डिलीवरिंग।
वाला जो पाउडर है ना
वो है कड़काई, KADUKAI।
जी, वो क्या जनरल स्टोर पे मिल?
नहीं जनरल स्टोर में नहीं मिलता है, लेकिन हाँ ये जो जहाँ पर ये आयुर्वेद की चीजें बेचते हैं वहां पर यू मस्ट बी गेटिंग। जनरल स्टोर्स यू डोंट गेट। यू कैन गेट फ्रॉम अमेज़न में शिवांगी। यू व्हाट्सएप मी, मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूंगी।
Okay. Ma'am, I just need a small help. You said haldi, kala jeera. And
काला जीरा, one more was चित्तरतई, CHITHARATHAI।
ये दोनों चीजें मिल जाएगी अमेज़न पे?
सारे चारों चीजें मिलती हैं अमेज़न में। मैं खुद मैंने अमेज़न से ही मंगवाया था, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट ट्रैवलिंग मच, तो मैंने अमेज़न से ही मंगवाया था। Yes. Those who don't have the links, those who want the names again, you all have my WhatsApp numbers. Just WhatsApp me. I will send the link. One even the team people will send you the link. You all have the team numbers also, no? So they will send you the link. Not an issue.
Kadukai is a kind of mustard powder.
No, it's not mustard. That is kadug. That's a different thing. It's not mustard.
Because over here it said mustard.
That is because you would have put as, it would have shown as, because kadug is mustard. This is kadukai, KKAI, and this is GU. That's why. Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry.
No problem. Chalo, so you guys take care. Have a blessed full moon. God bless you all with loads of happiness, loads of all the good things that you deserve. Okay, and I shall come back again. Anyone wants to say anything? Can tell me. Varna, I will just log out.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Pinky ji.
Thank
You're
you.
joined in wherever you are. Really going to be waiting for this.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.